This is beef pilau. So today I'll be showing you how to prepare just a perfect plate of beef pilau just like this one. You better stay tuned, and if you are new here, kindly consider subscribing. And here we say food is a global language. So guys, like I've said, today we are making pilau, and I'll start by showing you some of the ingredients that we will be using today. So here you have 2 cups of basmati wrong rice. This is about half a kg of beef. Then we have tomatoes. These are onions. We have coriander, also known as dania. Then we have this is ginger and garlic, and we also have pilau mix whole. You can see for yourself, guys. So those are some of the ingredients that we'll be using today. So without further much ado, let's get started. Guys, we are going to start by boiling the beef until it is soft and tender. And meanwhile, as we wait for the beef to boil, I'll be chopping the tomatoes and onions, coriander and garlic and ginger. And water until the meat is fully covered. So guys, I want to show you some hack. So if you're grating using this kind of a grater, if you look for a nylon paper like this one, then you place it on the side that you want to grate. You want to use to grate like this. And when you are done, you just remove your paper like this. You can see the grater is still clean. Let's get started, and we are starting by adding vegetable oil in our cooking pot like that. I'm going to add our onions. So we are going to cook this until they are golden brown. As you know, pilau needs a lot of onions. That's why you see there are plenty of them. But do you know how to prepare pilau? This is one of the common meals in Kenya and East Africa in general. This is like the jollof of the Western Africa. Yeah, so if you want the brown color in your pilau, one thing you must go right with is the onion. Right now you can see they are starting turning. Yeah, just to keep on stirring so that they don't burn. Yeah. You see what I'm talking about? Golden brown. At this point we are going to add the ginger and garlic. Like that, guys. You can see how everything is turning out to be amazing. The fragrance is something else. And the pilau mix. From there we are going to add our boiled beef. Stir around. Then from there add our blended tomato. guys. Dark soy sauce, about a tablespoon. Then for me, I'm going to cover for a while. Let everything blend in together. A few minutes of covering and cover. Guys, you can see how everything is looking amazing. So from here, I'm going to add the rice. After cleaning your rice, add your rice. Then stir this. How is that? So from there we are going to measure the broth from the meat that we boiled. 4 cups, one, and the final one. Those are 4 cups of both the beef stock and water, because the beef stock has just given me 2 cups. So then stir like this. From there we are going to add salt to taste. Cover and let it cook. One thing to remember is that 1 cup of rice equals 2 cups of water. Yeah, don't forget that. So uncover, and at this point give it a right mix like that, guys. After mixing lightly, then using an aluminum foil cover to make sure that the heat has nowhere to escape. Like that. Reduce the heat the minimum. So guys, after 15 minutes of simmering and cooling down, let's see the results. And here we are. Let's see yourself, guys. Everything is amazing. You can see for yourself, guys. Let's serve and sample. And some kachumbari. Like that, guys. You can see for yourself, guys, how everything is looking amazing. So guys, you have come to the end of this particular episode about preparing pilau, and I'm sure I've taken you through the steps that you need to know about the same. So as you know, it is in our culture to sample everything that you've prepared, and I'll be the one sampling for you. So the meal of the day was beef pilau, and guys, some of these recipes I show you, you better try them and share them with family, friends, and everybody, guys, so that they can also get to try new things. Yeah, so without further much ado, let me sample and let you guys know how beef pilau is. So you dig, then you take a bit of the kachumbari. Mm. This is perfect. Perfect. If you just follow the steps that I've shown you, I can tell you the result are perfect. So these are pilau like no other, and it is you can literally uh, feel the fragrance of the cardamom, cinnamon, the black pepper. We used the whole pilau mix or pilau masala, which is not grinded. So the fragrance is so high, so rich, and of course you can see the brown color. No doubt about it. We can't even argue about it. So as you can see, guys, the rice is kamoja kamoja. It is not sticky. You can see for yourself, guys. So make sure you try this recipe. And if you are new here, this is the first time in this channel, kindly consider subscribing by hitting that subscribe button and turning on the notification bell, guys, so that every time I release a new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Till next time, bye bye, take care.